Well, hey there, y'all. Ever shot a beautiful home only to have the sky look like a sad and gray funeral march is coming? We've all been there, especially as real estate photographers working in good old Fort Worth, Texas. I'm talking rain clouds, flat light, or that weird yellow haze that makes a $500,000 house look like a haunted shack. But don't you worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix up Adobe Photoshop into doing what it should have been doing all along, saving your sky replacement settings and automating the whole dang thing. This video is brought to you by your friends at Picture Perfect Photographs. We shoot real estate right here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and we want to help y'all do it better and faster. First things first, let's create ourselves a Photoshop action. Open up that Actions panel. Click the little plus sign and give your action a name. Something sassy like, Fix That Sky. Then go to Edit, Sky Replacement. Pick yourself a nice sky, a sunny day or even a sunset, whatever fits the scene. Set all your favorite options like scale, lighting, edge shift, all that jazz, and then hit OK. But hold your horses. Photoshop doesn't save the settings in the action. That's the big problem and hassle Adobe left us with. But I will show you how to adjust the sky replacement group manually. Photoshop creates a group called Sky Replacement Group, and here's what's inside. There is a layer for sky, lighting, color lookup, foreground lighting, and foreground adjustment. Now let's go layer by layer and train this action like a rock star from the Texas Jam. First, you can shift the edge to smooth out that mask. Right-click on that Sky Layers mask and click Select and Mask. Adjust your Shift Edge slider till that sky blends cleaner than sweet Texas tea. Feather it up a little if needed. Photoshop does record this step, so you're playing your first solo. Now onto brightness so we can make sure to take out the gloom. Click the sky layer, press Ctrl M or Command M if you're a Mac cowboy to open curves or clip a brightness contrast layer to the sky layer. Photoshop also records that too. Just make sure you Alt-click between the adjustment layer and the sky layer to clip it to the sky layer. We can now take care of the foreground color cast to match the updated cheerful mood in your sky. Find the foreground adjustment layer. Usually it's a gradient map or color fill. Then double-click it and change the hue if needed. Set that opacity pretty low and set the blend mode to your taste. Photoshop also saves the blend mode changes, so go wild training it how you like it. You won't have to do it every time now. Next, we can scale the sky, as we always have to do down here in Big Sky Country. Click on the sky layer and hit Ctrl T or Command T for you Mac users. Scale it up or down to fit your scene. You know best. That transform also gets recorded, so take your time. You only have to do it once. The lighting is the last crucial step. Click the lighting layer, usually a curves or solid color with a mask. Adjust the curve, tweak the color, or modify the mask to brighten up the completed scene. Photoshop will remember these tweaks since you are doing these additional steps in the action. And just like that, folks, you've built yourself a custom Photoshop action that saves you more time in your day to have a nice tea on the patio. You can run this action with a batch script and process hundreds of cloudy photos automatically. Ain't that truly something? Please subscribe to our channel at youtube.com/@pictureperfectphotographs for more time-saving tips for real estate and landscape photographers. And visit us at pictureperfectphotographs.com for your professional real estate and aerial drone photography needs when you need to sell your home here in the Dallas-Fort Worth DFW Metroplex. When you want the best in the biz. Now get out there and fix that sky, y'all. If you would like to download the Photoshop action shown here at pictureperfectphotographs.com, simply click on the download link in the description for an already mastered action script when you subscribe to our YouTube channel.